Good afternoon, dear student. Now I will here to discuss with you money banking for class 12. Now I will cover the progress of banking system since Independence Day. What was the progress of in our banking system since Independence Day? That means 1947. We are now about the Second World War ended in 1945. Second World War ended. India got independence 1947. After that, both events had set a Indian banking systems as many as there were 142 banks during that period. During the independence, that means 1947, 1951. In this period, many banks failed. After that, our progress of banking system, Independence Day. Now we'll start. In the 1951 comes the 5-year plans. In 1951, where commented and following steps taken is strengthen the Indian banking system. Many steps and many decisions taken to how progress of the banking system in the 5-year plans. First is Indian Banking Companies Act. Indian Banking Companies Act 1949. It enacted. Then the Reserve Bank of India established. RBI also established in 1st January 1950. In order to stabilize the strong network of commercial bank, the State Bank of India was formed by the nationalizing Imperial Bank of the 1st July 1955. SBI converted to the Imperial Bank 1955. It is a milestone of the progress of banking system. In that time, the several Sikh banks were amalgamated with the other banks. That time was 142 banks and many banks amalgamated to other banks. In order to safeguard of the interest of the depositor, that depositor invested his money. How to safeguard? That is the main challenging at that time. How to engage, how to retain this with the bank depositor to maintain the systems, and their amount also saved in this bank. Social control scheme was implemented in 1968. Social control scheme 1968. Social control system scheme implemented in the 1968 as to the rectified defect of the working management of the commercial bank. That time commercial bank working management was not better. They are not properly to run the how banking system is going on. That time social control scheme come to the exist 1968. It is the helpful for the depositor how to safeguard their accounts. In the July 1969, Government of India nationalized 45 private commercial banks. 98. Then we come to the 1968. 68, then 1969. 14 banks nationalized by Government of India. 14 private banks was nationalized. That time the banks could contribute toward the economic development of the country. 6 more banks were nationalized after that. 6 months after 6 more banks also nationalized. That time totally 20 banks in the 1969 was the nationalized bank. There was no industrial bank in India prior to independence. We are talking about 1947. Prior to independence 1947, there was no any industrial development bank. By the central government and state government has established. Then central government as well as state government has established the Industrial Development Bank. That was the scenario how to progress banking system since independence. We are talking about 1947, 1949, Indian Banking Companies Act elected, RBI established in the 1st January 1950, and the SBI come to the imperial banks 1955, and many banks amalgamated to each other in this period, and social control scheme also comes in the 1968 and 1969. 14 banks nationalized. After 6 months, 6 banks also nationalized, and until there was no any industrial bank. Then central government and state government had decided we have not need to industrial development bank, that is comes to the existence after the independence. Okay, now that is the progress banking system since independence. But now we will be talking about present banking system of India. Present banking system of India. Nowadays also many banks are amalgamated to each other. Indian banking system, present banking system, India. Present banking system of India. Indian banking system is at present comprising the various banks, each catering to the need of special economic and social sector. We are focused on the social sectors and economic development. That is the base in the present scenario. At present banking system of India. First is Reserve Bank of India. What is the position of RBI today? It is the central bank. RBI, also known as the central bank of country. Every country have a central bank. As like RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is the central bank of our country. It was nationalized the 1st January 1949. Existence of RBI. It has the interested with the function related to the monetary and credit policy. RBI focus on the monetary and credit policy of our country. How to? Recently, the function related to the agricultural development has been entrusted to the NABARD. Do you know? NABARD. NABARD, National Agriculture Bank of and Rural Development. That is the NABARD. NABARD is focused for the agricultural development in our country. Other is the development bank or the commercial banks. Commercial banks. The commercial bank were established in the private sectors. The Imperial Bank was nationalized under the State Bank of India. State Bank of India, 1955. State Bank of India, 6 banks constituted in this bank. And the present time 7 subsidiary bank of State Bank of India and is the biggest commercial bank of India. But at present we are talking about today, there is no subsidiary bank of the SBI, only one bank is SBI. All subsidiary bank is merged to SBI. Cooperative banks, Punjab National Banks, District Bank, District Cooperative Banks, Primary Banks, are many banks. But the commercial banks, since we are talking about the SBI have the 4 subsidiary banks. But now SBI is single bank. Then third important thing is Banking Regulation Act. Banking Regulation Act 1949. It was enacted in 1949. Banking Regulation Act. How to regulate the bank? Order to Regularization of Indian banking system. It was passed 1949. Reserve Bank of India was empowered to inspect the regulating the commercial bank. How to regulate? How to regulate the proper functioning of banking during this period? Then cooperative banks. Cooperative banks. These banks fulfill the short-term loans through the primary credit of cooperative society, central cooperative society and state cooperative society. Land development banks fulfill the need of long credit for the farmers. They are focused only for the farmers. They had provide the loans for the agricultural loan and rural development, that is cooperative banks. Then the industrial development bank. Industrial Development Bank. As name suggests, it is focused for the agriculture, commercial and other purpose. Various bank of industrial presence there also been established at all India as well as the state level. Name of the few banks: IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, IFCI, Industrial Finance Corporation of India, IRCI, Industrial Reconstruction Corporation of the India, and the State Industrial Development Corporation. Also come to existence industrial credit and investment given by the industrial development banks. How to grow industry, that means for the production, that is provided by the industrial development bank, cooperative banks for the farmers, loan and agriculture, rural development, Banking Regulation Act enacted 1959. How to regulate the overall banking systems in this situation? It is a project situation. And commercial banks existence. There are commercial bank. We are talking about the main bank, that's work State Bank of India. It comes to the 1955. There are 6 subsidiary banks. That time, at present, SBI has no any subsidiary bank. SBI is only one bank and it is the largest bank of the public sectors. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, does not to operate any types of the business on the part persons, but it is the bankers bank, that is RBI bank. It regulates monetary policy and banking facilities, that is the regulate and makes the policies for banking. It depends on the RBI. As we cover in this chapter, development of banking in India, evaluation of banking system, crisis period, development of the Second World War, then process of banking system in the since independence, and at present banking systems. Now we complete this chapter. Then I will discuss this chapter, rural credit. Thank you.